my channel. It's Julissa. Thank you so much for watching today's video. So as you guys can see, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really pretty fall inspired look. I'm so excited to show you guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like button and of course subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. And of course turn on the bell next to my name so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. They are so good. One more. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I know it looked like a hot mess, but give me a few minutes and I'm gonna go from 0 to 100 real quick. Just kidding, I'll just curl my hair after. Let's go ahead and prime our eyelids. Today I'm gonna be using the Plouise Base and I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids. Guys, this is my favorite. I just like can't stop using this primer. I do have the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, but I don't know, I feel like I like this one better. Or it might be because it's been a while since I've used it, so that's why I'm just like, ugh, Plouise Base. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I've been saying this for the past like 30 minutes. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe Second Nature palette, right? No, Second Nature. I'm going to be using... Ah! Whoops. Today, this is the one that I'm going to be... This is what... Oh my god, what is wrong with me today? Get it together. Let's go ahead and start with the transition shade. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe M519 brush. And I am going to start with this shade right here for my transition shade. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. And with the same brush, I'm going to start blending this out. Did I say that already? I don't know, but if I did, I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, this really pretty like caramel color, and I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe M513 brush. So now I am going to apply this right below the first shade that I applied. So right about here. Oh my god, this shade is so nice. And I'm blending this shade out really gentle. I'm barely putting any pressure on my brush. Remember, you have to let the brush do its own thing. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with the first brush that I used. And I'm not adding any product. I'm just going to blend these two shades out. Okay, moving on, I am going to now apply my shade here on my V corner, and I'm going to use a darker brown, so not too dark though. Let's go in with this one right here. And I'm going to be using my Morphe E17 brush. So for this one, I usually start off by packing on the shade first, just like this. Pack, and then once you're done, then you can start blending it out. And I'm gonna bring it inwards, blending it out at the same time. You've got to be kidding me, seriously? Let me hurry up because he's gonna like ruin my whole video. Okay, so now it is time to cut my crease. So now I'm gonna be using this flat brush that I have right here. This one's like way bigger than I usually use. So I'm gonna cut my crease with the famous, you guys already know, Plouise Base. Okay, so let's cut my crease. Okay, I'm gonna like try to talk really loud so you guys won't hear the neighbor, okay? So I'm gonna apply this right here, and then I'm just gonna look up and look all around to know where to stop cutting the crease. I am going to apply a shimmery shade. So what I'm going to do is I am going to grab a flat brush, and I'm going to grab my setting spray, and I'm just going to spray a little bit on my brush. That way it can pick up the shade a lot better. And I'm going to go in with this really pretty, I guess pinkish shade. Pink shade. And I am going to apply this here on my inner part of my lid. Oh, this is a really pretty shade. I am going to stop maybe like about halfway. Okay, so now I am going to grab another flat brush. So this one right here, I'm going to apply more setting spray. And now I am going to go with this really pretty gold shadow. Let me show you guys. So this one is beautiful. Here, I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Look at this. It's so pretty. And I am going to apply this right here. Okay, now I am gonna go back in with my with this little brush right here. This one's the Morphe E17 brush, and I'm gonna blend the shimmery shade with the brown shade out. So I'm gonna pick up the same shade, this really pretty brown one, and I'm just going to gently blend this out. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna grab a makeup wipe and I'm gonna clean this up to make it look sharp. Now I am going to be applying some liner. I'm gonna be using the one from Tarte. Now I'm going to be applying mascara. Today I'm going to be using the one from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply some. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face before I apply my lashes to let this sit for a little bit. And oh, I didn't tell you guys, this one is the Ole Henriksen, something like that, Banana Bright face primer, and it looks like this. While I am letting my face primer sit, I am going to be applying my lashes. Guys, so the lashes that I'm going to be applying today, oh my gosh, these are by Beauty by Aretzi. Guys, I kid you not, I have used these pair of lashes over like 10 times. I'm not even joking, I'm not exaggerating. They're just so good and I just can't stop using them. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna go ahead and leave her information here down below in the screen and the description box. So if you guys are interested, you guys should definitely check her page out, you guys. And they're so inexpensive, and I'm telling you guys, I have used these pair of lashes over 10 times. I'm not even joking. Okay, moving on to my bronzer and contour. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Cristal Cosmetics palette. This one is a Piel Morena, and I really like it because it has basically like all in one, so it's really convenient. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face, and I'm gonna be using a Morphe brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm gonna be using the one from this palette, and I'm gonna be using this small contour brush. Okay, so now I'm not a big fan of the blush from here, so oh my god, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this really nice blush from Note Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some shadow here under my eyes. I am going to be using the same shade, so I'm going to start with the darkest brown that I used earlier. Before I apply highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting spray. And this one is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Moving on to my highlighter, I can't even say it. I'm going to go ahead and use the Hyper Real Glow from MAC. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe E61 brush. I do recommend applying setting spray first before your highlighter. Whoops. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Today I'm going to be using the one from Liveglam in Pecan Pie. For my lippie, I'm going to go ahead and use a lippie from Liveglam. This one is in the color Beach Please. And let's see how this one looks. What do you guys think? Yay! Okay, so we are finally done. Let me go ahead and do my face, my hair off camera because this ain't doing it. So let me go curl my hair and I'll be back. Alright you guys, well I am pretty much done doing my hair. I know I said I was gonna curl my hair, but I know I change my mind like every 3 seconds, so I decided to straighten my hair. So yeah you guys, this is the final look. Here it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications on so you can get notified when I upload a video. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.